comes to home renovations, moving on, well, let's see. On your checklist, you probably have one checkbox. It says, I want it all. Right?
That's right. In today's Home Sweet Home tip from Standale Home Studio, how we can adjust our expectations and still get what we want.
Hi, I'm Susan Adicott with Standale Home Studio. I'm here today to talk about compromise when you're doing a remodel or a new home project. Those two little words, I want, can easily be a budget buster. And knowing what you really need versus what you really want is where the beginning of compromise and prioritizing start. Hardware can cost anywhere from $2 a piece up to $200 a piece. Once installed, are you really going to notice that your hardware isn't made out of solid brass, or is something a little more economical just as beautiful? What I really want is not always what I really need. Do I really need that granite countertop, or would something more economical be just as good? These are some of the things that you really need to look at when you're trying to set your budget. The I wants versus the I needs. There's a beautiful solution at the end.